Back to our videos. This is Smart Learners Studio and this is Mathematics Grade 9. Have somewhere to write, and please, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us to the end of our discussions. Cubes of numbers. This is the second substrand of the first strand we call numbers, and in this case we shall look at what cubes are and maybe one method on how we will be looking for the cubes of numbers. It is interesting that most of you are following us, and we are so much grateful for that. And remember, by the end of this year, you will be sitting for a serious national exam, and so we wish you all the best. Now, what is a cube of a number? So a cube of a number, we are now defining it. A cube of a number, you can write with me. A cube of a number is found by multiplying that number by itself 3 times. You multiply by the number by itself 3 times. We can give examples, e.g., let's say, and we shall have a denoting kind of mechanism. We shall have cube denoted by a superscript 3. So the cube of 1 is 1 times 1 times 1 3 times is equals to 1. Cube of 2 cubic now is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equivalent to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So the cube of 2 is 8. And probably 3 power 3, or the cube of 3, it will be 3 times 3 times 3, which is equivalent to 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So that is the method that I wanted us to look at today. Before I go for more examples, or before we go to other examples, I would wish that we generally write a formula that we shall apply in all those examples. So we can generally say a different ink. Generally, that is what we have seen. N cubic is equivalent to n times n times n. And this one we mean that if you have a number n and you're looking for its cube, you will multiply that number n by itself 3 times. So this is the formula we shall apply in all the examples that we shall go through. So we need at least an example. Find the cube. This is an example. Find the cube of each of the following numbers. Find the cube of each of the following numbers. We have A, we have 9, B, we have 1.2, C, we have 2 over 5, and D, we have 1 and 2 over 5. So by the application of the formula, let us solve this. So we write solution. We start with A. Remember, we shall write 9 denoted, the cube is denoted by power 3 or superscript 3. is the same as 9 times 9 times 9, which is equivalent to 729. 729. Subdivide my working space. Because this is 9 times 9, which is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. B, we have 1.2 cubic. We shall say 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2, which gives you 1.728. Again, we have found that one. C is 2 over 5. We put the brackets cubed. This is the same as multiplying 2 over 5 times 2 over 5 times 2 over 5, which is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 over 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So that also has been found. Lastly, we have D, 1 and 2 over 5. Again, make good use of the brackets, cubic. I would rather advise that you first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper. And that is to say, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So that is 7 over 5. It's now improper, and we have the numerator and the denominator. So power 3 is the same as 7 over 5 times 7 over 5 times 7 over 5, which gives us 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. 49 times 7 is 343, all over 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. 125. So you can simplify this and make sure that you come up with a simplified form of this answer. 125 goes to 343 twice, and the remainder is going to be 93 over 125. So that is the cube of 1 and 2 over 5. So dear learner, join us in the next video. We shall be discussing about cubes of numbers from mathematical tables. Stay tuned and please share our link. Goodbye.